Salams be to our brothers and sisters in Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan and Central Asia. May Allah treat you with His favor, inshallah, and may He not test you. This world is a world of tests and trials, but we should not be asking for tests. We should be asking for Allah's ihsan, His favor and grace. Now, the situation in the world today is a test for people, but rather a warning. For those who accept what comes from Allah, their rewards will be great. They would be winning their afterlife, the hereafter, and that's what's important. This world is not important, but in this world, our Holy Prophet ﷺ, he says to ask and seek cure and make dua and pray to Allah for it and give sadaqah such that we should be giving it every day. Some people say we give a lot of sadaqah but we don't give it every day. No, make yourself a box at home and put the sadaqah in there, the alms in there every morning or every day, and the same way the second day and so on. And then recite the holy verses of cure and recite Ayatul Kursi 7 times and blow it all around you, and the 3 Ikhlas and the Falaq and Nas, Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas, inshallah, you'll be protected, Allah willing. These things that are happening are a manifestation and the will of Allah. It's the state of the world. It can happen. Such things can happen. And for those who ask Allah for His help, Allah helps them. So as we said, pay attention to sadaqah and reciting Quran and the special verses. Pay attention to that. And what is the most important is namaz, salah, prayer. Because Shaykh Nazim used to say, when you don't have prayer, your dua isn't accepted either. A person should pray as much as possible. So you shouldn't spend a day without praying, without prayer. Because if you do not pray, even the awliya, the saints, can't help you. The prayer is so important. And our brothers and sisters over there, we recommend this to them all. They say we make a lot of dua and a lot of tasbihat and a lot of zikr. No, you need to pray and make the namaz, the salah, so Allah may protect us. May Allah protect us all and keep us on the right path and not deviate us. Everything is good. Everything has benefit. And the person who accepts what comes from Allah reaches goodness, and those who don't accept it are in loss. And the suffering they suffer is in vain. Therefore, we need to strengthen our faith and our iman through prayer and zikr and goodness. Ask for forgiveness. Seek forgiveness for everybody. Wish forgiveness for everybody. May Allah guide those who have deviated from the path as well. May they turn back to the path of Allah, so this punishment is lifted from all over the world. May Allah give you all health and well-being, inshallah, and we shall meet soon, inshallah, again in good days. May Allah protect you all from illnesses and jealousy and magic and ayn and nazar. May Allah give us good, inshallah, and goodness, and open the doors of goodness, and may we be happy and in felicity in this world and the next world, inshallah.